I loved it so much that I ordered it again in 20 inches. Woohoo, your girl. What's up, y'all? It's your girl Mariah Elise, and I'm back with another banger. Okay, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2, and today we're gonna be doing a little wig review. Before we get into this video, go ahead and like this video, tap that post notification bell so you can stay tuned into the whole Vlogmas. There's 12 days of Vlogmas, and of course, do not forget to subscribe for good vibes, y'all. I love wigs. Disclaimer, there's nothing wrong with wearing your natural hair, or there's nothing wrong with wearing my natural hair. But if you are natural and you've been natural long enough, or if you've been natural 2 days, you know that it can be very frustrating maintaining natural hair. So my solution to that, I used to do a lot of like twists and braids, but once I got into college, I got on to the wig game. So today I'm reviewing this hair, and funny enough, I got it off of Amazon. I've been getting all my wigs off of Amazon lately because I love 2-day shipping. I'm gonna be honest, I probably have been feeding Jeff Bezos' children all year long. Like, I probably supplied their Thanksgiving dinner, their birthday gifts, and the way I went ham on Black Friday and Cyber Monday, I definitely supplied the gifts underneath their Christmas tree. You know, I went crazy. Anyways, I ordered this wig on October 24th, and because I am a Prime member, it came literally a day later via 1-day shipping. I don't know, Jeff was trying to slice me that day. Thanks, Jeff. This is from Jessica Hair. This is the box that this one came in. This is the 13x6 lace front wig in 12 inches. It came pre-plucked with baby hair. I don't know that it actually came with baby hair, but it definitely came pre-plucked. Like, I haven't done any, first of all, look, I haven't done anything to this wig, and look how well it was parted. It was plucked apart. Like, I really do love that. But needless to say, I love this wig so much that I ordered it a second time in longer length. I thought, wow, like, I love a good bob, but I need this down my back. So I ordered it for a second time, which is the wig I'm going to unbox for you today, but review this one on my head. Okay, so I'm going to show you what came in the packaging for this one, because I do think the second one actually came with a little more. So of course the wig came in a bag, it came in a net, and it came with a netted wig cap. And of course, instructions on how to take care of the wig itself. So, anyways, I put this wig on my head. I loved it from the get-go. I've been wearing it since October. It's now December, and it's still pretty strong. I can say one thing I don't love about it is that it sheds, but it sheds like when I'm running my fingers through it. You see these hairs? It sheds like crazy. The thing is, it's very thick in general, so the shedding is not an issue to me because the wig hasn't thinned. It hasn't looked much different in appearance. If anything, like, it looks a little thin here, but I kind of was going for that look anyways. I've also been able to part it in different ways. And mind you, I'm not a professional customizer at all. Like, I've never actually bleached the knots of a wig or any of that because I'm too afraid to ruin it, so I'll have to try that on a wig that I don't care about. But anywho, I loved it so much that I ordered it again in 20 inches. Woohoo, your girl! She getting ready for this summer. Same packaging. Wig comes in a bag. It's already feeling pretty thick. Also in the box, a customer support card that says if I leave an unbiased review, they'll send me a gift. not the first time that's happened. I've actually gotten free wigs for leaving reviews on Amazon. Instructions on how to take care of it and wash it. Again, the same netting, but this time we put these little eyelashes in. I like the packaging of these. These are cute. Let's see what they look like. Oh. I probably won't be wearing these. Let's look at the wig. Ooh, it smells like a wig. And like, honestly, look at her. She's beautiful. Wow. Okay, first of all, look at the definition. Okay, look at the wig. Wow. This is what the hairline is looking like. Definitely manageable. Like, someone could customize the hell out of this. I don't know who it's gonna be, but ooh. Look, it's already like pre-plucked. Kind of okay. I can see some baby hairs, but like, wow, like it's bouncy. It's full as hell. This is such a nice wig. Wow. Again, Amazon, stop it. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna put it on my head now. Hold on. So lace is still on. And look how full this thing is. Like, so this one's definitely gonna require a lot more customization. Oh, this is actually kind of hard doing it on camera. Should I cut the lace? That make me want to cut the lace. I'm not ready to cut the lace though. Okay. Y'all made me cut the lace. Y'all made me cut it. So let's see what we're working with. Disclaimer, I have a small head. I have a tiny head, and honestly, I used to order my wigs off of RPG Hair, not RPG Show, because they are decently affordable and they have the option to customize your wig caps to make them small. Now, because I'm so pressed for my packages, I order them off of Amazon, and all Amazon wigs come medium-sized cap, like most wigs, and some allow you to customize them, but these did not. My small head makes my wig shaky, and it does have clips, but it is adjusted to the smallest setting in the back with the bands. But I'm probably gonna have to sew one of those thick elastic bands on, which is fine, it's no problem. So disclaimer, that was disclaimer number 1. I just like wet this wig to the best of my ability, and when I talk about the shedding, this is what I got. Well, this is probably like the initial of what I got, and then I continue to do it nonetheless. So here we are, 20 inches. I never had a 20-inch wig before, y'all. This is my first 20-inch wig. Ah, look at me. Let's look at it again with the definition. Let's look. So like, look at that. I feel like I'm doing like a real natural hair tutorial. Look, y'all. Look at it. The roots they're pretty nice. I have a wig cap on, and to me the lace is pretty light / transparent. Okay, I felt like I was doing you a disservice in the other room. Okay. Alright, without it being plucked, this is kind of the part you have. Definitely need to do some plucking. And then, like, the baby hairs are there. Definitely gonna do something with those. This is the wig. It's super thick. It's so thick. Like, thick. Like, what? Yeah. Here we go. I'm definitely going to have to play around with this one. Ah! You know? Definitely gonna customize it or do some more plucking. Here, I just wanted to show y'all this. And sew a band on it because this wouldn't move around my head. I mean, maybe this is normal for curly wigs, because I know people with curly hair in real life get this much shedding. Y'all saw what I did. I just did a quick comb in it, and that's what I got. Like, that's a lot to me. But you see how much hair is in this thing. Like, shit, that real thing, girl. How much y'all think I'll pay for this? What y'all think? What do y'all think? You're wrong. It was under 170, baby. Okay, but that was it. I just wanted to show y'all the unboxing. I'm not about to do the most and customize and all that stuff. I just wanted to unbox it for you. I will leave the link down below and the specs in the description box as well. Thank you for tuning in to Vlogmas Day 2. Stay tuned in. This is a 12-day thing. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for good vibes, and I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.